projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Emotion Detection using Twitter Datasets and Spacy algorithm. So now coming to the introduction part, as the analysis delves into the methodology, experiments and findings of emotion detection using Twitter datasets and the Spacy algorithm, it contributes to the ongoing exploration of harnessing technology to decipher human emotions from digital footprints. The amalgamation of social media data and advanced algorithms not only reflects the evolving landscape of sentiment analysis but also underscores the potential to unravel the intricate tapestry of human feelings within the virtual realm. The Spacy algorithm, known for its robust natural language processing capabilities, brings sophisticated language understanding to the table. By parsing and analyzing text, Spacy can identify syntactic structures, word meanings, and contextual meanings. Its potential to grasp linguistic subtleties aligns well with the complexity of human emotions expressed through language. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to delve an advanced sentiment analysis framework that capitalizes on the rich emotional expressions within social media data. By achieving accurate and nuanced emotion detection, this research not only furthers our understanding of human sentiment in the digital age, but also offers valuable applications across various domains that depend on insights into public emotions and individual well-being. The Spacy algorithm, renowned for its natural language processing capabilities, serves as a pivotal tool in this endeavor. Its ability to parse text and extract contextual nuances aligns well with the intricacies of human language and enhancing the accuracy of emotion detection. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, that is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first upload tweets dataset. The first step is to upload the dataset of tweets to the Spacy library. The dataset should contain the information that are the text of the tweet, the date and time the tweet was posted, the location of the tweet, the user who posted the tweet. Second, pre-process dataset using Spacy. The second step is to pre-process the dataset using the Spacy library. This involves removing any stop words, punctuation, and other noise from the data. It also involves tokenizing the data, which means breaking it down into words and phrases. Third, load emotion detection model. The third step is to load the emotion detection model. The model is a machine learning model that has been trained to detect emotions from the text. Fourth, emotion detection from processed tweets. The fourth step is to detect the emotions from the processed tweets. The model will assign a label to each tweet indicating the emotion that is expressed in the tweet. Fifth, emotion graph. The fifth step is to create an emotion graph. The graph shows the distribution of emotions in the data set. This can be used to get a better understanding of the emotions that are expressed in the tweet. Sixth, exit. This sixth step is to exit the program. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as tweets dataset. It's containing a dataset over here. And here this Spacy emotion dataset detection is a Python file which is containing the Python scripts in it. And here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. Here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. So now click on upload tweets dataset button to load the tweet for getting the output. Here I am selecting this dataset over here and click on open button to load the dataset. On this screen, we can see dataset loaded and tweets contain total unstructured text with stop words and special symbols. And now click on pre-process dataset using Spacy to clean tweets for getting the output. Here pre-processing completed and we can see all tweets contains only text with clean words. And now click on OK button. And then click on load emotion detection model button to load machine learning algorithm model for emotion detection for getting the output. Here you can see that model is loaded. And now click on emotion detection from processed tweets button to detect emotion for getting the output. Here on this screen, before arrow symbol we can see clean tweet messages, and after arrow symbol we can see predicted emotion as positive, negative or neutral, and by scrolling down this to view all messages. We can see all tweets with emotions over here. And now click on emotion graph button to know tweets percentage in each emotion. Here in this graph, 38.5% people are giving positive tweets and 22% gave negative tweets and 39.5% gave neutral tweets. So by using this application, we can easily extract useful knowledge from people's reviews, whether they are satisfied or not on any topics tweet. So now closing this graph, you can click on exit button for exiting with this application. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In essence, the fusion of Twitter dataset and the Spacy algorithm presents an avenue for unlocking the collective emotional pulse of society. As online communication continues to shape our digital landscape, this approach equips us with a tool to decipher and interpret the myriad of sentiments that define our interconnected world. Further advancements in natural language processing and the integration of contextual understanding will undoubtedly enhance the accuracy and scope of emotion detection, ultimately providing a cleaner lens into the intricacies of human emotion in the digital age. The synergy between the richness of Twitter data and the linguistic comprehension of the Spacy algorithm underscores the potential for deeper emotional understanding on a mass scale. However, challenges such as sarcasm, context-dependent expressions, and the evolving nature of language on social media platforms remain. These complexities warrant continued research and refinement of the emotion detection model.
For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.